cold.
Ooh,
Okay, so
where's Christmas in here?
Christmas is 10 days away. Today's the 15th? Yeah, 10 days away.
10 days? Okay.
Yeah, and if your house is where the big dinner is happening, you're going to want to do some revamping. And here to show us how to make your table look trendy and the trends to take into 2019, Director of As You Wish Events, Anise Williams.
Good morning, Denise.
Good morning.
Welcome to Christmas in Smile Jamaica Studio.
Thank you.
It feels like Christmas, yeah?
Yes, it does.
So tell us a little bit about how you got into the business.
Okay, well, I always wanted to decor. That's something I wanted to do from teenage years. I went to UTech and did tourism and event planning, so I have a degree in it. And then from there, I went to work for Jackie Tyson. And then from Jackie Tyson, I started my own business.
That's fantastic.
I can't set a table to save my life. All I know to do is just
Eat.
spread a white table.
No, you just know to eat.
That too, but we just spread it on the table. How many different kinds of table settings are there?
Okay, so in terms of you have breakfast setting, because some persons do the whole morning breakfast Christmas setup. My family used to go all out.
Yeah,
with
breakfast, lunch,
Christmas.
and dinner.
Everything
Wow.
have to set up.
Come on, your house.
You have more traditional setup in terms of very formal with every piece of silverware you can think of going on the table. But that's when you have a lot of courses. Which enough people going to have 10 million dishes on the table eating. And then you have less formal. Some of us probably have a smaller family where it's probably just the husband and the wife or just
Kids.
yeah, so you don't need to go too detailed because everybody not coming over.
Right.
So it depends on your setting of if your house is the gathering spot.
You can make a big deal.
Exactly.
All right, so tell us a little bit about what's going on this table. You decided to go straight Christmas colors with this one, red, gold, green.
Right. So this is more of the traditional colors and the traditional look. Everybody thinks of Christmas, they go red and green. So I played a little on that with a little bit of what is trending now.
Okay, what's
Sparkly stuff are trending.
that? I love sparkle.
Oh my goodness.
Metallics are trending.
I love metallics. That's just my Christmas right there.
So glitz and glamour, that's something that's trending right now. But the thing is that persons are kind of veering off of the red and green, and I think probably younger generation is going
like my daughter asked me for a blue and purple Christmas
See
tree.
there?
So
Why is it important though to set the table properly? Because for me and my friends, when we go to a table, all we use
is the knife?
is the fork.
No, the fork and the knife.
I mean, sometimes
You don't
we
use the knife at all?
Sometimes, but we just pick up a fork and eat
that's the
everything.
end of
like
that.
Well, I definitely tell you that even separate and apart from just setting your table, decor plays a big role in the whole ambience and the tone.
Me have a question.
Go ahead.
So suppose we're sitting up on the two sides of the table here. Oh, I'm going to sit past the something.
Then that is how depend on how glam you want to go. You can do low centerpieces. I could have done lower cylinders.
Right.
But as I say, it's big and glam and whatever. We're going to show.
So we must only talk to the person beside me.
No
if
man,
we
you
use
can
this.
sit. If I had the seating now, that show you how you could have.
Oh, you'd have put
to
it
the
in
person.
between?
Yeah, you could
Oh,
switch
okay.
positioning of the
Gotcha,
stuff.
gotcha.
Like these could move over here. So
what I
now
would
when you
do-
space it,
I'm gonna
Roger
show you
that.
my,
What
show you
you
my
do
decor
now?
skills now. Like if we're sitting like this, let's put this at the end.
right? So you just move around
And then put
the
those
thing,
into the
and then
middle.
you could
Yeah.
the shorter centerpieces as cylinders
So
as well.
So in terms of Extal is a bad fan when it comes down to decor. He just told you. I didn't say it, guys, so stop telling me I'm
No,
beating
it's
up
true.
on Extal.
It's true.
He
No,
said
like-
it. So suppose Extal is having a big Christmas party and he
20
wants
people.
somebody to come over and just do the decor because he can't do it. That's something we can contact you
yes,
for?
yes. That is
On what day can we contact? If I want it to be done on Christmas.
You book out. She book out. She book out.
Yes,
Isn't that
but-
amazing?
Yes, that is very amazing. I actually have 3 things going on this weekend as I come off today.
That's fantastic.
So, yeah. But booking for Christmas actually starts in like August.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because of staff parties, there's so many
Yeah.
of them happening, as well as weddings happening a lot this
Christmas
time. People still having birthday awards, so to
Okay, so it's not just the Christmas and dinner
everything.
table and
no, I do everything.
All right, I have another question. You know what this question is, right, Dwayne?
The money.
Yeah, like home. Can I come to you and say, hey, I have a budget of $20,000. Can you do something with that budget? Or is there a minimum that you give?
Like a package.
Yeah.
I actually don't do decor packages. The only decor package I offer is baby shower packages because that's something totally different. But in terms of packages, I like that your event be unique to you. So I do offer packages, but I can conform to your budget.
So the money.
Yeah.
Okay, so if Dwayne only have 20 grand. Oh, you sound like you have bells
Jingle
and
bell.
whistles
I want
on
to
you.
go
So
just do this. I want to come here.
if Dwayne have $20,000, he can call and he can try and put
I will
something
figure,
together.
yeah, we'll
it
figure
might not
out.
look like this.
Yeah, we'll figure
but you'll
out
work
what
it
can
into
happen.
it. Okay, and where can we reach you before we go?
It's As You Wish Events, and we are at ayweventsja.com, 876-872-0220.
Fantastic. And your information for IG is up on the screen. So anybody, if you need her for a baby shower, for birthdays, stop jingle bells in. That's not you. You can contact her and she'll get it done for you. Not for this Christmas, but the new year is a coming. So, are you shaking still? Shake. Shake while we go.
Director.
Director of As You Wish Events, Anis Williams. Shake.
May I shake become cold?
He's redirect.
We keep the Christmas cheer going after we come back from Studio C.